Meter bond. I did not want to leave it just with that because I've seen profiles before, LED profiles that have come down in the middle or somewhere on other worktops and in some other houses. So I'm definitely going to put that, which is sticks like shite, and the meter bond. So that should hold it forever. So the client has already got a cut here on the worktop, and also this cut lines up with that. Because I've only got a 3 meter length of the cover, instead of doing a little junction or a little joint of cover down here, I thought why not do it there so that everything lines together. Got my laser out, cut it, install it, and see how it looks.